Hello everyone, and welcome to our Business Management Introduction and Functions lessons. This is part 3.2. So let's talk about the management function of controlling. Controlling is a process that regulates the business's activities to ensure the goals that were set are getting accomplished. Now, during the controlling stage of management, managers will perform many different tasks, such as managing deadlines, training employees, monitoring employees, giving feedback, making adjustments and changes to things like timelines, budgets, and staffing, and of course, evaluating employees' performance. So let's talk about the controlling part aspect, the employee evaluations. It's important to have clear standards of performance and have a way to measure your employees' performance. This way you can compare performance with the standards that you have set through those employee evaluations. Now, employee evaluations are crucial for managers and the employees as it's a time to get feedback, talk about things that are going well and areas that they can improve on. Managers can also give pay raises to high performing employees during this time. So here's what I want you to do is I want you to think about it, take a minute, pause this video, go online, look up some employee evaluation forms and notice what all is evaluated in those forms. So take a minute, pause the video, go look at those forms, and then come back. All right, now that you are back, one thing that we have to remember is that in our constantly changing society, especially with technology, it's important in business management to understand those four essential functions that we've gone over: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. As the most successful businesses have managers who successfully complete each of the management functions exceptionally. So again, this is our part 3.2 lesson on Introduction to Business Management and Functions. We particularly talked about the management function of controlling in this lesson, and we listed the benefits of that management function.